cure. Just a knight in rusted armor. I'm a man who wants to show her, trying to save his new lover. But false charades make it all harder. She really thinks that he is charming. His intrigue is so alarming. The prince that she has dreamed about are filled with nights of screaming shouts. She's never had. A real good man